Chemistry, let's take a look at our practice problems for Chapter 2, Section 2. Now, I've already written these down because writing them takes a little bit of time. We don't want this video to be quite that long. Number 1, A. Why are standards needed for measured quantities? Now, there needs to be agreement on measuring meaning and size of units, because standards for units must be unchanging in order to avoid confusion and ambiguity. Now, that's going to be very closely related to B. Why is it important for a measurement system to have an international standard? Again, to have universal agreement and avoid confusion. Realize if a particular unit, for example, a unit that we use quite regularly is called the foot. Now, we all understand that 1 foot is defined as 12 inches. However, in the past, in the distant past, a foot was not always defined as 12 inches. It was defined as however large as a foot of the king at the moment was. Who knows? That might be folklore. That might be, some made-up story. But for the purposes of our explanation or our understanding of why we need to have a standardized unit, it serves. Because let's say you have a king that's 4'5". That foot is probably only going to be about 6 or 7 inches long. Whereas if you have a 7-foot tall king, you're probably going to have a 20-inch foot. And so, what foot are you talking about here? Is it a large foot? Is it a small foot? And so there's ambiguity here. Just to say that something is 6 feet long, now you have a range. It could be by our understanding something like 3 feet long, or it could be 12 feet long, because the definition of that unit will vary from time to time, from king to king.